Alright, gentlemen, here we have the amp meter or amp gauges are installed. Right now I have one coil spinning. As you can see, this one is on, these are all off. And with that, I'm doing at about 0.05 milliamps, or so. It's okay with me. My draw is very low. When I started it up, nothing even registered over on the 0 to 5. So now if I go and turn on the second coil, oops, got my thumb in the way there, RPMs again really pick up, and with two coils I'm at 0.15, 0.16. So gauge is working pretty good. With the gauge, I've got the, can you see it? Okay, I've got the capacitors in there. I'm using a, it's hard to see, but it's a 35 volt, 10,000 UF. Can't do this, I'm being uncoordinated here tonight. But anyway, it is there. I've got to make it more permanent and into the board, but the gauge is working. And I've got the switches here, so if I switch over to this gauge, you can just barely see that I've got a reading there, and then when I switch it over to this gauge over here, see that it's working. I try to get these shadows out of the way, or overcast. There we go, get my head in the way behind the light. So everything seems to be working. So I've got a very versatile gauge set that I can put into any other experiment that I want to do, add more coils, see how things are going. But the gauge, the board, everything is working very, very well. Thank you so much.